Alright, you are looking at the engine that came out of our 1970 Dodge Coronet RT convertible 4-speed car. Remember, they only made 2 of those cars. This is out of the Brett Torino collection. Had a spun main bearing, and when it did, it took out a pair of rods with it and the crankshaft. Compliments of our friends at Tony's Parts. We have rods and crankshaft. Additionally, our Southworth Engines built the lower end for us and rebuilt the heads. Scott Smith at Harms rebuilt the carburetors. And it's yet to be painted because we wanted to fire it up on the Easy Run engine stand, which is one of the coolest things we have here at Graveyard Carz, and get it all broke in, so that way if it had any oil leaks we could fix them now without damaging any of the fresh new paint. The exhaust system is a homemade Graveyard Carz special with dual glass packs coming right off of a pair of pipes, coming right off of the manifolds. So let's give this old girl a fire up here. First thing we got is ignition. Then we got fan, fuel pump, coil, and start. Oh, listen to that, baby. Set the idle up a little here with our machine. And we've got an electric water pump hooked up as well, so to keep it from overheating, I just connect a wire down here. And now we have our little electric water pump running. Pretty slick. So this thing can run all day on this machine if we want to. We've already ran it and adjusted the timing. Have a look at the gauges. How 426 Hemi should run when it's built. Next thing we're going to do is take the carburetors, wires, distributor, coil back off, get it painted the correct 1970 Hemi orange, and it'll be ready to install in the car. Just another day at Graveyard Carz, man. See you guys next time.